Hi everybody, I found a really good little recipe. It's pancakes for just one person. It makes 2 pancakes. It's the perfect little recipe, so let me show you how to make it. In a cup, I'm going to add some milk and vinegar. Just give it a stir and set it to the side. I just made buttermilk. In another bowl, I'm going to add an egg, and I'm going to give it a really good mix. This is some butter. I'm going to melt it and set it to the side. Now I'm going to add my buttermilk to my egg along with the melted butter. And I'm going to give everything a good mix to combine. Here's a bigger bowl. I'm going to add some flour and sugar. And here's some baking powder and baking soda and a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients, and I'm going to give everything a good mix. Now, here's where people get in trouble. They overmix. Do not overmix. Just mix it until you don't see any more loose flour, and it can be a little lumpy. If you overmix your batter, your pancakes will become rubbery. Here's my skillet. I have it a little over the medium heat. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, and if it dances, it's hot enough. I'm going to add some butter to the bottom of my pan. Now I'm going to add my batter, and I'm going to cook it for about 3 minutes on one side until it starts to get the bubbles and they start popping. Then I'm going to flip them over, and I'll go another minute on the other side. Now I'm telling you, I really like this recipe. They tasted good. My pancakes were fluffy, and it's only 2 pancakes. It was just for me. That's what I really liked. A small recipe just for me. Pancakes for one. Thanks for watching.